How things actually work.
Ew.
How
I hate
dolls
this. I hate this. Watching dolls be made is the creepiest thing I've ever seen in my life. Like, it's so aggressive. It's so... Ah! Ew. Just ripping their eyeballs open. Ew, I hate it. Obviously they're fake, it's just dolls, but like, I don't know. It just seems like this clip could also be in Saw. You know what I mean? Ooh, I don't like it. Creepy. Dolls are just creepy already. Oreos. Whoa. That's crazy. Look at them go, all those little Oreos. On their way to my belly. I freaking love Oreos. They're so good. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I'm glad I know how those ones are made, and it's probably pretty similar to what not that I've ever really stopped to think about it, but it makes a lot of sense. I mean, they gotta mass produce those things. They're in hot demand. Oh dang. Listen, I'll eat a hot dog. I like hot dogs, but Jesus Christ, that looks so gross. Ew! Ew, it's it's just so gross. That's the worst. And then look at them there in all their hot dog glory. Ew, it's so disgusting. It's so disgusting, but like, have you ever been to a campfire? You know what I mean? Like, I don't like it, but I'm still gonna eat a hot dog, you know? Whatever, it just looks gross. Doesn't taste gross. It's so awful to watch though. Ooh.
Cheesemaker separating curds and whey.
Ooh. Yep. Yep. Ew. Yucky cheese. I mean, I love cheese. I love cheese, but the concept of cheese is very gross. You know? I don't know. Being a cheesemaker, that'd be an interesting job. Is it stinky? It's probably kind of stinky. Oh man, I would just want to eat the cheese all day though. That would be my personal problem, my personal struggle. What's your favorite kind of cheese? Let me know.
How things actually work. Money.
Yep, I mean, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, that's kind of what I guess, another thing I never really like stopped to think about being made, but makes a lot of sense. I don't know what currency that is, but almost looks like a toonie. Which, if you're not Canadian, is a $2 coin. Yeah, we got coins for our dollars and $2, and we call them loonies and toonies. Because Canada's a made-up place. Oh my gosh, I was just chewing gum before I came here. Oh, dang. Ew, gum is weird. Ah, that looks like a monster. Ew! Ew, that looks like the hot dogs. What in the world? Man, factories are crazy places. Oh, dang! We all know that kind of gum. You got 30 seconds before you gotta spit it out. What are those gums called? I can't remember what they're called at the moment, but those ones.
Oh,
Double bubble?
yeah.
Those ones, yeah, like the flavor goes away faster than anything I've ever seen in my life. But they're still just elite gums. Anybody offers me one of those, I'm gonna say yes, absolutely, please and thank you. I feel like every time I have those gums, I get a headache after. Because you just chew them for way too long. Whoa. Whoa. I mean, yeah. Man, I was just about to say, like, I want to go on like a tour of a factory. That was so stupid. That was the dumbest thing I've ever said. But like, these things are crazy. These things are crazy. It's like interesting to me what's done on machines and what's done by people, you know? Because it's crazy to me that there's just a person there who has to like wait for the ice cream to come in, you know? I just think that's weird. I feel like you could definitely, I mean, I'm glad because now that person has a job, you know, and it's not just all robots. I'm getting really, you know, philosophical here. But like, it's just funny. It's just funny to me that that's what the job is. I have so many questions. Okay, so I asked, what's your favorite kind of cheese? And now I'm asking, what's your favorite kind of ice cream? I want to know. I'm not going to tell you my answers until I hear yours, because I don't want you to judge me. Ooh, a lot of ice cream content today. Now I want ice cream. Oh. Dang, that looks good. Ooh. Interesting that the thing comes up to the ice creams and the ice creams don't go down into it. I never would have guessed that. I'm learning so much, honestly. Wow, who would have thought? How raisins are made. Oh, I love raisins. Crazy. But like, they don't just like leave them out in the open to go bad. Raisins are just like dehydrated grapes, right? I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. I mean, I personally have never made a raisin in my life. I just get them in a little box and then I got a nice little treat. I've never really thought about it, but I feel like this video made it seem like they just leave them out on the counter just to go bad and then boom, you have a raisin. But I think you just put them in a dehydrator. That's very funny. How does a sharpener work? Man, being a kid, those like, not the, sorry, I almost died. Not the like mechanical sharpeners, but the ones that were on the wall that you had to go and do this with. God, your pencil just came out absolutely chewed up. Just disastrous. No way you could get a nice pointy tip with those things. You were lucky if you still had a pencil at the end. And it was always so loud too. You're taking a test, somebody's got to get up just grinding their pencil on the side of the class. Chris knows what I'm talking about. It's so funny. Wow. Do they still have those in schools? Probably not. What is this? What? I never would have seen that coming. Huh? That looked like hot dog goop and now it's sandals? That's crazy. I don't know, man. I clearly don't know anything about anything because what in the world? I thought that that was gonna be food and then it was sandals. So I don't know how we got from point A to point B, but some wizardry is going on over there. Guys, that's it. That's all the clips we have for today. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for a little bit. I've been your host today, Olivia Kozlowski, and I will see you all again very soon. Goodbye.